Hey YouTube, Nick here from X5 Overland. Just got to our campsite and we just bought this beautiful awning from ARB. We're gonna do a little impromptu product review for you.
But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're up till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi?
I'm sure you've seen a bunch of these little setups before, so we'll just do a quick one for you. I've only set it up one time, so this is the ARB 2000 by 2500. We're not really experts at setting it up, but I saw on the YouTubes some guy did this action. I've also already hit myself right in the forehead with these poles, so. Not the simplest. Do by yourself. Okay. The hole here is sticking in. Tight.
I'd help you, but
I know this is good. Okay. Okay, here it is set up. It's kind of crooked. I think we might be on an angle, or maybe I just made one leg slightly longer than the other. But yeah, so it's 6.5 feet across, and it extends 8.2 feet out, I believe. Integrated light. It's got 3 modes. It's got cool mode, warm mode, and then a mix of both. And all 3 of those modes will dim. It comes with the controller, which I'll show you guys. Yeah, here it is set up. You guys saw me struggle through setting it up. That was like maybe the 3rd time I set it up. I set it up a few times in our driveway. But we live in the Pacific Northwest, so it'll probably be sunny, and then it'll snow, and then it'll rain all on the same day.
oh, don't forget windstorm.
Windstorm. Yeah, we'll have to peg these things down. It does come with rope and 4 pegs. Did you guys know they were called guy ropes? We just got in. We're starving. We're gonna make dinner, and hopefully by Saturday, Sunday, we'll have our final thoughts on this thing, because it's supposed to rain on Saturday. Which you know how it does. Okay, the awning performed very well.
I freaking love it.
Yeah, we didn't use the guy ropes, but this light for cooking at night, very nice. My only downside to it is that the switch for the lights is actually by the plug, so that doesn't make much sense when you're just like, oh, I want to turn the light on. As I almost died. Oh, I want to turn the light on. No, I have to actually crawl in the car and push the button. Other than that though, the light output is spectacular. I've heard it only takes 1 amp, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do a draw test on it later.
Yeah, I won't accept this life if fate is given. So find a way to get lost. So find a way to get lost. Just find a way to get lost. Yeah, we'll find a way to get lost. So find a way to...
Even I can do it, and I've hit myself in the head with mini poles. Sounded wrong. Okay, we're gonna pack up. Thank you so much for watching this review, guys. Hopefully it helped you. We like it. It gets our thumbs up. Stay tuned, many more videos to come. Thanks for watching.